we want to thank the Lord na rin for giving Franco to us. Siyempre si Franco yung source of happiness namin and inspiration namin sa lahat ng ginagawa namin.
Ang birthday wish ko lang kay Franco ay sana lumaki siya ng very, very happy and makilala niya si Lord sa kanyang buhay at malaman niya din yung purpose niya dito. And sana mapasaya niya si Mami at Daddy palagi. Thank you, thank you.
Ang wish ko kay Franco, syempre sana lumaki siya na mabait. Tsaka i-guide siya ni Lord every day. Thank you for giving meaning to our lives, Franco. Hindi mo alam kung gaano mo kami napapasaya, pero grabe, sobra-sobra mo kaming napapasaya. Happy birthday, anak! I love you!
Happy birthday, Franco!
Jukebox in the corner, taking me for a ride. Into the motion, we're exploding out of trouble inside. You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's make the town. I'm running when I hit the ground. That's what I'm all about.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki ka ng maayos, kaayon ko, Lord, sa iyong patnubay-tubay sa Kanya.
Above the traffic, everybody better look out below. I got somewhere to be, time got away from me. Too busy feeling free, it's all I can do now.
Happy birthday, Franco. Nawa lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. At mabait na bata. Masunurin kay Mami at Daddy. Marating mo yung gusto mo someday. I love you, baby. Happy second birthday.
Happy birthday, Franco! We love you! Lagi mong papalo mama na! Love you!
Happy birthday! Happy second birthday, Franco! I just want you to be happy always and God bless you. Be obedient boy and always listen to Mommy and Daddy. Love you, Franco!